Avengers TNT, Avengers TNT, Avengers. Having a dynamite time. Hey guys, welcome to a TNT adventure.
We're about to make exploding pumpkins.
Bags.
Yeah, well, we're about to make those bags explode. Ah, look at our crazy jack-o'-lantern pumpkin faces. All right, guys, what we're gonna do for our experiment is we're going to make these pumpkin bags explode with a little science experiment. We're gonna fill our bags about 1/3 of the way full. Alright guys, there's Tanner's. His has got some vinegar in it. Alright, now Toby's turn. Pour in the vinegar in the bag. Alright.
This is too much.
Nope, not too much. Alright, let's see. I think Tanner, you need a little more. Don't drop it, don't let go of it. Alright, here we go. A little more. I know. It's vinegar! Guys, we put some yummy smelling vinegar in our Ziploc bag. And now...
It does not smell good. It smells disgusting.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to pour in it. So I'm going to hold Tanner's bag while he pours his into the bag. All right, one more, Tanner.
One more?
Yep, one more. All right, good job. Now we're going to zip Tanner's up. Now swish it around. Now, Toby, I'm gonna hold yours.
Is this enough shaking? This enough shaking?
There he goes. Pouring. Good job.
Turn to milk.
Well, because it's a white powder mixed with a clear liquid, and it made it white. All right. Now we have it all mixed up real nice and good. All right, now we gotta put the food coloring in it. All right, pour it in there. Ooh, there we go. Here. Alright guys, we have our vinegar and cornstarch in here. Now we have little balls of baking soda that we are going to carefully put in our bag. What we're gonna do is put it in our bag, but we're gonna hold it up so it don't go in the liquid. And then we're gonna zip it up. Now we got Toby zipped up.
Hey guys. we are pouring the baking soda in.
We're not pouring it in because we don't want it to pour in yet, because then it'll run the experiment. We have to keep that baking soda away from the vinegar, because that is what's gonna make these pumpkins explode. All right, Tanner, you wanna hold yours?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Set, and just put them right there and there. Ready, set, shake it up and lay them down. Hurry, now let go. Let go, Toby. Whoa, look at Tanner's. This is blown up. Toby's is filling up, guys. Check it out. Whoa. Ah, look at it go. Ah, it's like a volcano.
Mine's done.
Whoa, it exploded. And watch, it's like magic. Oh, they turn to pumpkins.
Yeah.
Whoa, can you believe that?
No.
That is crazy.
Wait.
All right. Looks like there's like prizes inside there. Let's go wash up our hands and open our pumpkins and see what is inside. Come on, let's go.
Hey guys, we're back again. Yeah, you know how those pumpkin bags turned into a real pumpkin? Let's see if we can pull them pumpkins out of this big pumpkin that got cut up. We can't.
Let's see. Are there pumpkins gonna come out of there?
Let's see.
I can't wait.
Mine came out.
Whoa! How cool! You guys pulled those pumpkins from an empty pumpkin bowl? That's crazy! Alright!
What's this? Mine came front.
Whoa! Alright guys, you're gonna open up the pumpkins and see what goodies are in the pumpkins?
I ripped the pumpkin skin off.
Oh my, you pulled the pumpkin skin off?
I'm not on the skin on pumpkins. I didn't know the skin on pumpkins.
Man, I didn't
Look
either.
what I did. Look what I pulled out of the whole pot.
Whoa, you pulled off a bunch of the pumpkin. You guys are really good at this.
Okay,
Let's get your cherry.
whoa.
Oh.
Done.
Whoa! Oh man, here goes Tanner unwrapping his goodie ball.
What's this?
And so goes Toby.
This is so dusty.
Oh my goodness.
This is wrapped up.
You have to unwrap it. You have to keep unwrapping. Oh, wow. Look at his ball of goodies. If we could just get it open somehow.
Yeah.
Oh, I think we found a piece, Toby. Pull, Tanner, pull!
He just didn't go.
Whoa. We're starting to see a bunch of stuff in Toby's. He's getting the wrapper off. Pretty good. Whoa.
Ah!
Look at Tanner. He is like pulling at it.
I killed it.
You did. I don't even know where the next one is, Toby.
Wait, at this end.
No, you gotta. Can you help Tanner find the next part on his?
Wait, I see something inside. What's in this pocket? Oh,
Toby found a keychain. Ooh, candy! Some of Tanner's favorite candy. Ooh, Pop Rocks. Those are yummy. You got a lot of good stuff in there. Toby got a lot of good stuff. And I can't wait to see it, Tanner. Oh my goodness. Look at Tanner go. He is wanting in that ball.
He wants candy.
He does. He's like, I'm getting it. Good job. What'd you get? Suckers! Suckers! And gum!
I don't like them.
Yeah, so we don't really eat gum, do we? But yummy! We got some goodies.
I have 2 suckers.
You have 2 suckers?
In the bag. I'm pulling it down. Oh, I got a keychain too. Look, keychain.
Ooh, you both got keychains, and Toby got some suckers and more.
Gum.
Oh yeah, gum for mom and dad.
This is the mom and dad pile.
Oh man, look at mom and dad's pile of goodies.
Gummies.
Oh man, ooh, Laffy Taffy. That's a good one. Oh, what is that? Campfire colors. We're definitely gonna have to use that, you guys. That's perfect for the fall. Ooh, more candy. Some peanut butter M&Ms. Oh, and a campfire colors too. We have 2 of these now, guys. I'm excited to see what it does to our campfire. Ooh, what is that? Try me puzzle box. Ooh, can you remove the ring? Oh, this is a good little puzzle. Tanner got one too. It's a double cross. Ooh, can you assemble the pieces to form the double cross? I think this is a good challenge for Dad. I wonder if he could do these.
Okay, yeah.
Alright guys, well thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, friends.
Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Bye. TNT, Avengers TNT, Avengers TNT, Avengers. Having a dynamite time.